Hi students, good morning. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to see self practice 14C, area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram already I have taught you b into h, base into height. Okay, here there are three figures given. Okay, just look at this figure. Here there are two side lengths. Okay, you have to take one side length as base. You should take one side as base. Okay, here there are two side lengths given. Okay, students, listen. The line in which the inner line, okay, this line, the line in which the inner line makes perpendicular angle is to be considered as base of the parallelogram. Once again I repeat it, the line in which the inner line makes perpendicular angle, inner line, okay, inner line makes perpendicular angle is to be considered as base of the parallelogram. So you should take base length is this length. Okay, so what is this length? In parallelogram opposite sides are equal, na? So this is 5 centimeter, then this will be 5 centimeter. So you no need to take this side length. Is it clear? So you should take the side length 5 centimeter. Then side length or base equal to 5 centimeter. Then height, that is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so what is the area of parallelogram? Area, that is equal to formula b into h. Okay, base into height. Therefore what is base here? 5 into height 4 centimeter. So that is equal to 20 centimeter squared. Is it clear, students? Okay, here there are two side length, na? You have to take one side as base. Okay, so which side? Yeah, good, 12. This is also 12 centimeter, na? So this side. Okay, because the line in which the inner line makes perpendicular angle is to be considered as base of the parallelogram. So you should take this 12 centimeter as base. Okay, so area, that is equal to b into h. So that is equal to, what is b? 12 into h, 9 centimeter. So that is equal to 2 9s are 18, 108. Okay, 108 centimeter squared. Is it clear, students? Okay, good. Then this question is homework. Okay, then hi students, now let's move to second question. Use the area of the parallelogram to find the missing base b or height h. Okay, here area is given, area that is equal to 88 centimeter squared, b that is equal to 11 centimeter. We have to find h. Okay, so area, what is the area of parallelogram? What is the formula? B into h. So b into h, that is equal to 88. Then you have to put the b value. 11 into h, that is equal to 88. H, that is equal to 88 by 11. So if you cancel it, then 8. H, that is equal to 8 centimeter. Is it clear, students? Good. Then third question. Area is given 216 square centimeter. Base is 6 times the height. That means you have to take b that is equal to 6h. Here I have taken b that is equal to 6h because base is 6 times the height. Okay, so area formula b into h. B into h, that is equal to 216. Here I have written 6h for b because b equal to 6h, na? So 6h into h, that is equal to 216. 6h squared, that is equal to 216. Then h squared, that is equal to 216 by 6, that is equal to 36. H, that is equal to root of 36. Then h, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Is it clear, students? Good. Then now let's move to fifth question. Find the shaded area. Okay, listen, students. Here rectangle is there and inside parallelogram is also there. Okay, so for rectangle it is 80 centimeter. Yeah, 80 centimeters length and breadth 60 centimeter. Okay, for this parallelogram, what is height? 45 centimeters height. Okay, so this is base that is equal to 55 centimeter. We have to find shaded area. Okay, area of shaded area. Area of shaded. Okay, so listen, students. First, record area, that is equal to area of rectangle. Okay, area of rectangle minus area of parallelogram. Is it clear? Okay, now area of rectangle, what is the area of rectangle? 60 into 80. Okay, minus area of parallelogram B into H na, B 55 into H 45, so 45. Okay, so that is equal to 6 4s are 6 into 8 48, so 4800 centimeters square minus this one, so 55 into 45, that is equal to 2475. Okay, so 4800 minus 2475, that is equal to 2325 centimeters square. So the record area, that is equal to 2325 centimeters squared. Is it clear, students? Good. Then students listen, fourth question and sixth question also homework. Okay, then seventh question, let's move to seventh question. Here the area of a rhombus is 60 meters squared, perimeter is 40 meter, altitude that is equal to what? Okay, students listen, area of rhombus is 60 meters squared na, rhombus is also parallelogram. Okay, so B into H, that is equal to 60, B into H, that is equal to 60 meters squared. Okay, then perimeter is given, perimeter that is equal to 40 meter. Okay, so we have to find base or height, base or height. If we find base, then using this we have to find H. H is altitude. Okay, height, altitude means height. Is it clear? Okay, here perimeter is 40 meter na, rhombus all sides are equal, already you have known, all sides are equal, so 4s that is equal to 40, 4s that is equal to 40 meter, therefore s is that is equal to 40 by 4, s that is equal to 10 meter. Yes, that means here one side that is equal to 10 meter, that is base. Okay, so base here, base that is equal to 10 meter. So students listen, base equal to 10 meter na, so B into H, that is equal to, B into H, that is equal to 60, so base 10, 10 into H, that is equal to 60, H that is equal to 60 by 10, therefore H that is equal to 6 meter. So height that is equal to, height or altitude that is equal to 6 meter. Is it clear, students? Other sums are homework, do it in your copy. Okay, thank you, students.